Withdrawing money from Binance after your account has been reviewed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials. Make sure you have completed any necessary verification processes required for withdrawals. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet. Once logged in, locate the wallet option in the main menu. Click on it to view your available balances and withdrawal options. Step 3. Select Withdrawal. In the Wallet section, find and click on the Withdraw button. This will take you to the withdrawal page where you can choose the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to withdraw. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. Choose the currency you want to withdraw and enter the amount. For a cryptocurrency, you will also need to provide the destination wallet address. Double-check the address to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Review all the details you have entered. If everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. You may need to complete additional security verification steps such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the status of your withdrawal.